Goats stop fires. Wildfires can start in fields of dry grass and plants. Goats can stop these fires from spreading. How do you think they do it? Hint: look at what this goat is eating. Boys and girls, pause the video while you write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. Goats solve a problem. As you read, think about the problem. How are goats a good solution? In some places, the land is covered with brush. Brush is low plants and grass. It burns easily. A spark or small fire can turn into a wildfire. Wildfires are big fires in grassy areas and forests. They can be very dangerous. These goats are munching on brush. They're getting a nice meal. They're also a solution or answer to a problem. How do goats help fight wildfires? Human firefighters. In many places, humans solve this problem. Firefighters cut down the brush. They use tools like axes and chainsaws. The tools work well, but they can be heavy to carry around. And the firefighters may have to climb up steep hills with their tools. They can slip and fall or get tired. The chainsaws make a lot of noise. People who live nearby might not like the noise. And once the brush is cut down, the job is not done. The firefighters have to take it away to get rid of it. Goats help. Some people have come up with another way to solve the problem. They use goats. They bring the goats to the brush. The goats eat the brush. They don't need tools, just teeth. Goats are great at climbing up and down steep hills. They don't slip or get as tired as people. They don't make much noise, except for nah. And they don't need to take the brush anywhere else. Just goes in their bellies. Once the goats eat the brush is gone. There's no way for the fire to spread. The land is safer. Thanks, Goats. By Blair Ransford. Fancy feet. Goats are great at climbing on steep hills. Why? Goats' hooves are great for climbing. Each hoof has 2 toes. The toes spread out to help the goat balance. The toes also grab the ground. That keeps the goat from slipping. The bottom of goats' hooves are soft. That helps them grab the ground. Wildfire. This graph shows how much brush 4 goats ate one day. Look at the graph, then answer the questions. So here's the graph. It's called Brush Eaten in a Day. We have how many pounds of brush the goats ate. 0 pounds, 1 pound, 2 pound, 3 pound, 4 pounds, 5 pounds. We have Billy, Sweetie, Socks, and Dave. The goat's name, sorry. Question 1. Which goat ate the most brush? Is it Sweetie? Is it Dave? Or is it Billy? Pause the video while you read the graph and mark the correct answer. Question 2. Which goat ate exactly 3 pounds of brush? So boys and girls, you're going to come over here to 3 pounds of brush and follow the line over to see which goat it was. Was it Socks, Billy, or Sweetie? Which one ate exactly 3 pounds? Pause the video while you read the graph and mark your answer. Question 3. How many more pounds of brush did Sweetie eat than Socks? So we're going to look at Sweetie and we're going to look at Socks. Sweetie ate how much brush? 5 pounds. Socks ate 3 pounds. 5 minus 3 is it 1 pound more, 2 pounds more, or 8 pounds more? Pause the video while you figure this out. Question 4. How many pounds of brush did Dave and Billy eat all together? So we need to look at Dave and Billy, see how many pounds Dave ate, how many pounds Billy ate, and figure out how much it is together. Is it 2 pounds, 6 pounds, or 7 pounds? Pause the video while you figure that out. Bonus. Like a challenge question, you still have to answer it. Which 2 goats together ate the same amount of brush as Sweetie? Which 2 goats together ate the same amount of brush as Sweetie? So first, you need to see how much Sweetie ate. Then you need to figure out which 2 goats combined would equal that same number. Write their names with correct spelling on this line. Pause the video while you do that. Question: what's a goat's favorite drink? Answer: Goatorade.
A problem. As you read, think about be a fire safety expert. Let's learn some rules. Then you can show what you know. Rule 1. Don't matches and lighters. In an instant, they can start a big fire or burn. Rule 2. Find an escape route and a meeting place. Talk to your family about the fastest way to get out of your home in case of a fire. Then pick a meeting place outside, like a tree or a mailbox. Rule 3. If there is a fire where you are, get out fast and stay out. Don't look around for things to take with you. Rule 4. Keep your room tidy. Firefighters need a clear path to walk through so they can put out the fire. Rule 5. When you're at school, stand in line quietly during the fire drill. Don't talk. You'll be able to hear the important information your teacher is giving. Now let's test your fire safety knowledge. True or false? If there is a fire where you are, you should gather up all your things before you leave. False. If there is a fire, get out and stay out. True or false? If you see a lighter nearby, don't pick it up. It could start a fire. True. Lighters are very dangerous. Here's the last question. True or false? It's okay to whisper to your friend during a fire drill. Whispering isn't loud. False. Whispering may not be loud, but when you're talking, you can't hear what your teacher is saying. So, how did you do? Did you answer the questions correctly? If so, you are a fire safety expert. What is one thing you can do to be fire safe? Talk about it. See you soon.
And girls, put your scholastic news in the finished work bin when you are done.